let's play a game. Hi, I'm Giuliano, and today on the English Experience, we're going to play a vocabulary game called
Guess That Phrasal Verb!
Follow me through my morning routine where I will act out 15 phrasal verbs. See if you can guess them all. At the end, I'll give you all the answers. Keep in mind, some phrasal verbs may appear more than once, but that's normal. One phrasal verb may have several uses or even meanings. If you're a pro, you may even find some extras. With that said, let's get started. Okay, ready for a review? Before we do that, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe, and be sure to leave your answers in the comment section. All right, ready? Let's go! Phrasal verb number 1. When the alarm wakes me up, I turn it off. Sleep in. Unfortunately, I have to save that for the weekend. What about you? Do you sleep in on weekends? Our third phrasal verb is wake up. I usually wake up around 7 a.m. What time do you wake up? After that, I get up and get out of bed. Then I head to the bathroom and wash up, which can also include brushing the teeth or washing your hands. When I finish that, I get dressed. Number 7, put on clothes. Once I'm dressed, I go downstairs for some coffee. Next, I take the coffee and cream out of the cabinet. This next one is a repeat. Earlier, I put on clothes, and now I'm going to put on a pot of water. In this context, it means to start the process of heating water in a pot, usually on a stove, until it boils. Now to bring the heat. Number 10, turn on the stove. When the coffee is done, I put in a little sugar and cream. How do you like your coffee? Do you drink it black, or do you have to put something in it like me? Number 12, sit down. Sipping coffee is like therapy for me. Sometimes it's hard to get off the couch, which brings us up to number 13, get off. I'm just about ready to start my day as soon as I wash and put up the dishes and wipe off the counter. Great job, everyone. Awesome job. Now, the reward. Tell them what they won, Johnny.
Okay, Giuliano. Congratulations. You've won a free lesson with the English Experience Language School. Click the link in the description box to schedule your free class. Learn English online with a qualified teacher who will help to make your language learning goals a reality. Back to you, Giuliano.
Thanks so much, everyone, for watching. I hope you learned some new phrasal verbs. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.